So, one day you're in math class, filled with numbers, and then, bam, you see letters.
What?
You may think, did my teacher just have a stroke? What happened to numbers? But no need to fear. Math Dude 67 is here, and after this 5-minute tutorial you will know exactly what these letters are doing. So these letters, they have these fancy names called variables. And a variable is literally just a number, except it's hiding behind a letter. That's it. Nothing scary. Think of it like this. You have some apples, but you don't know how many. And if we were to make an equation, instead of writing apples, we just call it x. So x is just a mystery number we haven't figured out yet. Let's look at this example. Say x equals 3. What is x plus 2? Well, if x is 3, we can swap it out. And it becomes 3 plus 2. That's 5. Done. You just did algebra.
Woo!
Now what if we don't know what x is yet? Say x plus 5 equals 12. We want to know what x equals to. To do that, we need to rewrite this equation, so x is by itself on one side. Solving for x is pretty much the whole point of algebra. Think of this equals sign as a scale. These two sides have to be the same. So, whatever I do to one side, say I add 2, I have to do to the other. So coming back here, to get x by itself, we need to destroy this 5. To do that you simply need to minus 5. Because it then becomes x plus 0 equals 7, which means x equals 7. Quickly check by replacing x with 7. Okay, one more important thing. The letter doesn't have to be x. It could be y, n, z, a, b, d, etc. It's the same idea, different costume. So that's really what a variable is. A letter standing in for a number we don't know yet. Next video, we crank it up to stuff like this. So subscribe now.